I bought this strange looking Bluetooth speaker thing from eBay. And this is apparently one that you stick in the ground. It's an outdoor one. Obviously this isn't the ground. And yeah, I guess you just leave it in the ground and connect your phone up to it via Bluetooth or something and listen to music in the garden. But apparently it doesn't work. Now the listing said, if I remember rightly, that it was new, but broken. It did come in a box, and I'm not convinced it's new. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it is. It's a bit of a mess. Yeah. So there's a charging cable with it. So let's have a look. Let's see if it comes on. Does that come off? Yeah. Okay, let's get rid of that. Oh, it doesn't appear to come on. Right. I think I see the problem. And I know definitely now that this is not new, because things would not leave the factory like that. Let's get it under the microscope. Right, so we have a 3.5mm audio jack input. And there we have the charging port. Look at the state of that. Wow. Right, well, I've got to try and work out how to get into it. It's another one of those things that does not have any visible screws, which is annoying. And it's obviously waterproof, so yeah, I don't know how I'm going to get in this. Maybe under here at the bottom.
Now your favorite part, VOS with the rhymes. For all the non-believers, skip to 255. I got so many lyrics, I keep them in stores. Just like hat and deck, they're coming out of my pores. A1 bass, Osby, Tidder, bend over. Everyone's got to be a VOS lover. In Flint, Jaram, Western plus the other three. Aaron Marks, Nidhuega, Flux, Varoki, Ellis, Garber, Adam Taylor, Jonathan Wiggs, Darren, Callie McAdams, watch the fool, StezStix, Markovitz 90, Daft Willie, Fred Chauvier, Medieval Wan Jockey, but sadly not Lionel Blair. Special thanks also go out to Emilio Hereda, Toxic Shadow, Jonathan Harden, Neil Reynolds, Pappy Wappy, Enwo Tin Man, and Monkey Joe Tokyo. Much love to all. Peace. Nice.
Okay. Let's have a look at this board under the microscope. Right, so on this side we've got all the tactile switches for the power and volume, etc. And the Bluetooth. Some LEDs. And a nice little scratch or something there. I don't know what that is. And then on this side we've got a crystal there, 26 megahertz, connectors, solder blobs, chip, what's that one? ATS 2815, guessing that's some kind of, I don't know, maybe that's the amplifier, or maybe that's the amplifier, MK25D80. Yeah, I mean, it just doesn't look very well made, does it? Like, everything's all wonky and stuff, it's just, I mean, I'm guessing these things are pretty cheap. But we're interested in this micro USB port, which is an absolute disgrace. Let's get it off. I bought some actual low melt solder after watching Vince using it with a lot of success, so I thought I'd give it a go and probably do it with a lot of failure. It works! Nice. Nice. Right, so I need to find a USB port similar to that. How's that? Yeah, looks like... I don't know, are the legs in the same place? Can't tell. Yeah, I think they are. Let's try that. Ho 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 ho! I like it. I like it a lot. Perfect. Nice. Solid. Everyone's favourite part, the solid test.
Solid?
Solid.
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 And solid.
Solid.
Right, let's see if that's going to work. I presume if I just connect up the battery and whack the charger in, hopefully we'll see some kind of illumination. Okay, here goes. Ho ho ho! Oh yeah! It's only drawing 0.07 amps, but I'm guessing the battery's incredibly flat. Oh, it's jumped up. 0.6. Yeah, look at that. It's jumping up. Get in. Right, I'm going to leave it charging for a bit, and then I can put it back together and we can test it. I suppose I should probably test it in the garden. It's just my garden's a mess. I haven't mowed the lawn for like a month. Oops. Let's put it here next to this massive weed. Quite loud.
Saw him dancing there by the record machine.
Can't play much of that because of copyright and stuff. Stupid speaker.
I saw him dancing there by the record machine. I knew he must have been about 17. He was kinda strong, playing my favorite song.